When it comes to choosing between Shopify and WooCommerce, it really boils down to your needs. Shopify is a hosted solution, meaning you don't have to worry about the technical side of things. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. You get a sleek interface and built-in payment processing, which is a huge plus. On the flip side, WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress, giving you complete control over your store. If you're tech-savvy and want customization, WooCommerce is your playground. You can tweak everything to fit your brand, but it does require more hands-on management. Consider your budget too. Shopify has monthly fees, while WooCommerce is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting and plugins. If you're looking for scalability, Shopify can handle growth seamlessly, while WooCommerce might need some extra care as you expand. In short, if you want simplicity and speed, go Shopify. If you crave flexibility and control, WooCommerce is your best bet. Choose wisely.